Namaste. Hamesha khush raho bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you controlled and modified atmosphere transportation. Now let's start the topic. Controlled atmosphere and modified atmosphere. In controlled atmosphere, it generally refers to decreased oxygen and increased carbon dioxide concentrations by a precise control of the gas composition. And modified atmosphere means it is used when the control of the storage atmosphere is not closely controlled, such as in plastic film packaging. The difference in MA is modified atmosphere, that is, gas composition is modified initially and it changes dynamically depending on the respiration rate of produce and permeability of film or storage structure surrounding the produce. And control atmosphere is gas atmosphere is continually controlled throughout the storage period. What is scrubbers? Scrubbers are used in controlled atmosphere storage to absorb the extra amount gases present inside the packaging material. Air contains 21% oxygen and 0.03% carbon dioxide. By modification of the atmosphere, we basically reduces the oxygen percentage in the air and in the surrounding, and carbon dioxide percentage increases so that it will increase the shelf life of the perishable foods. The shelf life of this is the graph in between the shelf life and respiration rate. Uh, that is the long shelf life or short shelf life and low respiration rate to high respiration rate. The mushroom has short shelf life because it has a high respiration rate, whereas the main crop potatoes having low respiration rate, therefore they have a high shelf life. Then fruits and vegetables differ in their tolerance to low oxygen and to high carbon dioxide concentrations. uh, Table 1 shows that fruits and vegetables classified according to their tolerance to low oxygen concentrations. Minimum oxygen concentration tolerated is 0.5. The commodities are tree nuts, dried fruits, and vegetables. 1% is some cultivars of apples, pears, broccoli, mushroom, garlic, most cutter sliced fruits and vegetables. Then 2% is most cultivars of apples and pears, kiwi fruits, apricots, cherry, nectarine, peach, plum, strawberry, papaya, pineapple, olive, cantaloupe, sweet corn, green bean, celery, lettuce, cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and 3% concentration tolerated by avocado, persimmon, and tomato, pepper, cucumber, and artichoke, and 5% oxygen is oxygen concentration tolerated by citrus fruits, green tea, asparagus, potato, sweet potato. Then this table 2 is the fruits and vegetables classified according to their tolerance to elevated carbon dioxide concentrations. Maximum carbon dioxide concentration tolerated by 2%. Commodities are apple, Asian pear, European pear, apricot, grape, olive, tomato, pepper, lettuce, endive, Chinese cabbage, celery, artichoke, and sweet potato. 5% is tolerated by apple, peach, nectarine, pea, pepper, eggplant, Brussels sprouts, radish, carrot, and maximum CO2 concentration treated 10% is tolerated by the grapefruits, lemon, lime, pineapple, cucumber, summer squash, etc. And 15% is tolerated by strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, blueberries, cherries, cantaloupe, etc. Then beneficial effect of proper controlled atmospheric storage is it delayed the softening and mealiness, that is apples, pears, tomatoes, and delayed toughening, that is asparagus, and it is chlorophyll retention is apples, pears, leafy vegetables. And insect controls, because oxygen is less than 1% and or elevated CO2 is 40 to 60%. So there is no situation of respiration for the insects, therefore they are died. Then beneficial effects of proper controlled atmosphere storage are inhibition of the browning of cut surface, because there is no browning reaction, and because of cut down of the oxygen, better flavor retention, pineapple and cabbage, and reduction of disorders and decays in berries, and higher nutritional value after storage, that is vitamin C. Then detrimental effects of controlled atmospheric, above or below optimum composition for the commodity, may cause irregular ripening of fruits, that is banana, mango, pear and tomato, at oxygen below 2% and carbon dioxide above 5% for more than 1 month. Then it may cause certain physiological disorders. It may enhance anaerobic respiration and development of off flavors, and may cause susceptibility to decay. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.